So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account or sign in on Fitbit. So just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Fitbit first like this. And after that, go click sign in with Google. And choose your Google account that you wanna use to sign in. For example, for me, I would use an account, this. Click continue. And after that, click sign in, continue as a new user, and you have to agree with this and click agree and continue. Here you have to complete this profile information. I will just make it I don't know, click save and continue. Right now it will take you to this page. Fitbit is ready to use. Click continue and click no thanks and click save and continue. And if you want to link with your phone or with your device, if you have a watch or just you want to use your phone, click add phone, click continue, and I agree or no thanks, everything you want, and click set up later. And right now, if you wanna have a premium, for me I don't want, just I skip it. And that's it guys, just complete this and that's all guys. So don't forget to like and also subscribe in this channel, and see you in another tutorial.